given a land. We had everything we needed to grow and thrive.
But as human beings, we wanted more.
More convenience.
More power.
More money.
We were smart, but we got lost. For a moment, we didn't care.
We believe we are improving, but we are only putting a bandage on the problem.
Our ground, our oceans and our air are seeing the long-term effects of our way of life.
We are responsible for this damage.
And we are responsible to manage it for our future generations.
It is all in our hands.
We need to use our knowledge, ideas and technology to restore the balance.
So we can continue living in this planet for many years to come.
We're close to the point of no return, but we can still save our planet.
Let's educate corporations, governments and individuals how to coexist with nature.
Join our sustainability courses.
And gain endless career opportunities.
In every industry you are passionate about.
And make it sustainable.
Start the change, join the team and make a difference.